but I'm giving you a little Aaliyah. I'm giving you Aaliyah. Am I giving you Aaliyah? It's the side parts. I'm a millennial. I'm 33. It's the side part for me. It's right before I'm about to go to bed, and I thought about something. I put these rollers in after I curled my hair earlier to hold the curl, but I don't want to sleep with them in, so I'm gonna wrap my hair. Ooh, but look at my pretty curls. That's kind of cute. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it. Alright, this is going to be better to go to sleep, and I feel like it's going to be better results. Alright, see you in the morning. Combing down my roller wrap. We're going to see how this turned out, because it's been literally years since I've even attempted a roller wrap. Oh, I can smell my hot comb getting hot. Okay, so I just had them clips. I think I got some waves in the back. But yeah, we're going to get our wide tooth comb, and we're going to comb down this roller wrap. Okay, so is that a fail? Because it's not, it's got a little bit bent right here, but it's not how a roller wrap is supposed to go. That's not, okay. So, dang, I wanted that to work. Maybe if I would have sat on the hair dryer, it would have worked, but It usually works, but I don't know. Ooh, maybe I'll do a side part. Yeah, this the part right here. I need a hot comb. Dang, that roller wrap didn't work out. Dang. Cause this part, this didn't do what it was supposed to do. But it still look good. Hold up, let me step back and look at myself and say, girl, you look good. Oh, I like it, okay. I like it, I think I look good. When you're hot combing your hair is going through this part, but it's this part that actually smooths things. So you wanna take it and you just smooth it down like that. See how that do? Okay. Looking good, looking good. This little part is a little crazy, right? Right here. Should I just go ahead and smooth that out with the hot comb? Because that little curl don't even look like it's doing nothing. So I'm just gonna smooth it out. My hair. Oh, it looks so much better! Yo! But it looks so much. Okay. It's the side part. It's the side part in the roller wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and say the roller wrap was successful because it gave my hair a little bit more body. It didn't bump my ends like I expected it to do, but it gave it that kind of body. Is the body up here? Because in my last video it wasn't up here, but. And I know my hair got that gap in it. Enough of that. I love how this turned out. I think it looks great. I think my hair looks healthy. The side part, it's the side part. That middle part wasn't doing it. The side part even makes my hair look longer and healthier. It's the side parts. I'm a millennial, I'm 33. It's the side part for me. But I'm giving you a little Aaliyah. I'm giving you Aaliyah. Am I giving you Aaliyah? If I put it in my face, I'm giving you Aaliyah right now. All I need is like some eyeliner and like a brownish lip or some gloss. Let's put some gloss on. Aaliyah bangs was probably a little bit deeper than this. There we go. There we go. You know, Aaliyah wasn't all about the smiles. She was straight face. She smiled with her eyes. Love it. Okay, but one thing I'm not about to do is walk around with half my face covered with my hair. But yeah, love the results. I think the roller wrap came out okay. Could it have been better? Yes. Probably if my curls or the like, it could have been better if I would have used more rollers, and if I would have used sponge rollers, the curls would have been tighter. Which when I did the roller wrap, it would have been more kind of curled after I combed it down. So let me know down below if you want me to give it a try with maybe sponge rollers instead of the Flexi-Rod to see how a roller wrap would turn out. Now that I have my hair straight, I can, you know, try that out. But for the time being, I am just going to continue to wrap it at night. But if you guys want me to show you how it would look with like smaller rollers or sponge rollers in smaller sections and then do a roller wrap, let me know, because I can try that out too. So I'm going to continue to just like monitor my hair, care for my hair, do my deep conditioning and my protein and strengthening treatments so my hair can get in a good place. But right now, for my birthday, I am going to just enjoy my straight hair. because I've worked hard for my hair, for this much hair to still be on my head, because you guys know I have a problem with excessive shedding. But thank you again so much for watching. Y'all comment down below, hit that notification bell, so y'all know now I upload on Mondays and Thursdays are my upload days. So y'all make sure y'all click the notification bell for when I do upload. A lot of times I try to have the video scheduled for midnight, so by the morning time, or you know, that evening, you guys see the video. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. I be posting my reels and stuff over there, and that's kind of like a sneak peek of what the video is going to be, or what the video was about. So I'll see y'all on Instagram in my stories, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to y'all. Bye.